Welcome to this MonsterHost web hosting tutorial. The design of the website is very important for a professional look and the highlighting of your work. Choosing the right template is a significant part of it. Making changes to your website may also be a reason for changing the template. If you wish to change your site's template, I'll show you how it works. I'll start at the Product and Services page. You can find it in the client area under Services. Go to your site builder plan and open the website builder. To find the templates, navigate to the New Reset button and select the option Change Templates in the drop-down menu. After that, a new window opens with all available site templates. The Easy Site Builder offers 200 different templates. On the left, there's a list that organizes all templates in categories. On the right, you can view the templates that are within the category selected. Take your time to find a template that fits most to your conditions. Once you chose the right template, just click on Select and Confirm. Remember that your information will be lost if you change the template. Now the new template has been imported onto your website. Edit and customize it to create your perfect website. Thank you for watching. For more useful tutorials, subscribe to our blog and check the bell to receive updates each time we add a new video on our YouTube channel.